world's against us.
Ready? Ready?
Venus, could you let me be? Please just let me fall asleep. All I see is bright and blue. I just wanna dream of you. Nightmare, God is such a nightmare. It's not fair, caught up in your stare. What a cruel affair. Nothing's easy, nothing's right, till you leave me with the moonlight. Hold me gently, hold me tight. I'll never tell you how we're gonna stay the night. Every time I close my eyes, I see your face and I smell the morning dew. All up in a melatonin through bright eyes, white lies. I'm missing with the sunrise. Get wise whenever you sigh. Makes me wanna die. Nothing's easy, if that's true. Why am I still up thinking of you? Hold me gently, hold me tight. I'll never tell you how we can stay the night. Clock is ticking, day breaks in. Darling, are you leaving? 'Cause we tried something new. If you do stay, I must confess, the pillow talk is clumsy and my bed is such a mess. Venus, could you let me be? Please just let me fall asleep. All I see is blinding sun. I think you might be the one.
Yeah.
I like that one.
That one was good. That
I
was
like
good.
that one a lot.
I'm gonna do that one more time. Do it again. Do it again.
They hate us. The world's against us.
Ready? Ready?